motorbike initially at rest. So u is equal to 0, picks up velocity. So this is a similar question. 72 kilometer per hour. So that will be 20 meter per second. And again, the distance covered is 40 meters. So they want acceleration. So we use v square equal to u square plus 2as. So this is 20 square 0 plus 2 into a into 40. So this is 400 and this is 80. Okay, so a will be equal to 5 meter per second square. And the next thing they need time. So v is equal to u plus 80. So we have 20 is equal to 0 plus 5t. And t will be 20 upon 5. So that will be 4 seconds. A cyclist driving at 5 meter per second. So u is 5 meter per second and picks up a velocity of 10 meter per second over a distance of 50 meters. So calculate the acceleration. So let's find out acceleration. Again, there is no time. So we use v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So this is 10 square equal to 5 square plus 2 into a into 50. So this is 100. This is 25 plus this will be 100. So this is 75 equal to 100a. A will be 75 upon 100. So which will be 3 by 4 or it will be 0.75 meter per second square. Okay, so this is the first answer. They want us to find the time. So v is equal to u plus 80. So v is equal to, we know that is 10. A we know it is 5 and a is 3 by 4 t. Okay, so while solving a question, we can use a fractional value because that will be easier for us to calculate. 5 goes on the other side, 10 minus 5 will be 5. And so therefore 5 into 4 upon 3 is t. So t will be 20 upon 3 and t will be 6.67 seconds. Again, we have to write correct up to 2 decimal places always. And that is the reason why I make it 6.67 because this is giving us a value of 6.666. So I make it 6.67. The landing speed is 216 kilometer per hour and then it comes to rest. So v is equal to 0. Okay. What else they have given you? S is equal to 2 kilometers. So we can try finding the acceleration in, or if you want, we can convert it into meter per second as well. So if we try that, 216 into 5 by 18 will give 60 meter per second. Okay, and this will be 2000 meters. So we want acceleration. So we have v square is u square plus 2as. So this is 0 and this is 60 square and 2 into a into 2000. So this will be negative 4000 and this will be 3600. So 3600 upon 4000. So this is minus 9 by 4. Okay, so that acceleration will be, sorry, this will be tens. So acceleration will be 0.9 meter per second square. Okay, now find the time. So v is equal to u plus 80. So v is 0, this is 60, and this is minus 9 by 10 t. So t will be into 10 upon 9. So that will be 0.67 seconds. That much time it takes. A truck running at 90 km per hour is brought to rest over a distance of 25 meters. So U is equal to 90 km per hour. So this is 5 by 18. Okay, V is 0 and the time is equal to question mark and acceleration also question mark. S is 25 meters. Okay. So V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. So this is 0. This is 25 square plus 2 into A into 25. So 0 is equal to 625 and plus 50A. So A is minus 625 upon 50 and that will give you negative 12.5 meter per second square. And since retardation is asked, so I will write retardation is 12.5 meter per second square. Okay, and time is equal to here we have V is equal to U plus 80. So 0 is equal to 25 plus this is minus 12.5 T. So therefore we can get T as 25 upon 12.5. So that will be 2 seconds. A racing car initially at rest. So U is equal to 0, picks up a velocity of 180 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is 180 into 5 by 18. This is 10 jar, so that will be 50 meter per second. And the time is 4.5 seconds. So they want acceleration, that is V minus U upon T, and that will be 50 minus 0 upon 4.5. So that will be 50 upon 4.5. It will be 11.11 meter per second square. They want is distance covered. Okay, so S is equal to UT plus half 80 squared. Now this is 0 into 4.5 plus half into 100 over 9 and 4.5 into 4.5. So this will be 50, this will be 0.5, will be 112.5. So S is 112.5 meters. Like running at 90 kilometer per hour, so U is 90 kilometer per hour. That is 90 into 5 by 18. That is 25 meter per second. V is 18 kilometer per hour. 5 by 18 is 5 meter per second. Time is 2.5 seconds. So we need acceleration. So V minus U upon T. 5 minus 25 upon 2.5. That is minus 20 upon 2.5. Okay, so that will be 200 upon 25 minus 8 meter per second square. So that is the acceleration. Now they want distance covered. So S is equal to UT plus half 80 squared, 25 into 2.5 plus half into negative 8 into 2.5 squared. So this will be 62.5 and this will be minus 4 into 6.25 and that's 7.5 meters. Driving at 36 kilometers per hour. So this is 36 kilometer per hour. That is 36 into 5 by 18. So that will be 10 meter per second. Okay, he stops. So that means final velocity is 0. Time is 2 seconds. Now they are asking for retardation. So A is V minus U upon T. 0 minus 10 upon 2 minus 5 meter per second square.
A 5.
And yeah, retardation is equal to 5 meter per second square. That is the first answer. The distance covered is asked. So again we take S is equal to UT plus half AT square. That is 10 into 2 minus half into 5 into 2 into 2. So 20 minus 10. So that will be 10 meters. A motorbike runs at 90 km per hour is slowed down to 54 km per hour by applying brakes. So U is equal to 90 km per hour. That is 90 into 5 by 18, and that will be 25 meter per second. So V is equal to 54 km per hour. So 54 into 5 by 18. So that will be 15 meter per second. And S is equal to 40 meters. Yeah. So now they want us the total time in which the bike comes to rest. We can find the acceleration first if you want to find the time. So we have V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. So 15 square, this is 25 square plus 2 into A into 40. So this is 225 and this is 625 plus 80A. 225 minus 625 is 80 into A, minus 400 is 80A. So acceleration is minus 400 upon 80. So acceleration is minus 5 meter per
50
second square.
minus
Yeah. So we can use V is equal to U plus 80. So we have 15 is equal to 25 minus 5t. So 15 minus 25 is minus 5t. So t will be 2 seconds. Before coming to rest, before coming to rest, that we can find out. So if you have S is equal to, I'll write it here. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So we have, okay, we don't know the time for it will come to rest. So we take V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. So this is 0 and the initial velocity is 25 and we have 2 into 5 into S. Okay, so therefore we have 0, we have 625 and minus 10S. So 10S is equal to 625. S is 62.5.